Hi, I'm Hannah from the Multimedia Development Team at ATP. Test banks from ATP contain a collection of pre-written assessment questions based on key learning objectives and content presented throughout each chapter of the textbook. Assessment questions are organized by chapter and include true-false, multiple choice, and completion questions. Assessment questions are written in a structured format to allow for easy importing into the ExamView assessment suite. Let's take an in-depth look at how to import test bank questions into the ExamView assessment suite.
ATP now offers test bank questions that include pre-written true-false, multiple choice, and completion questions. Test bank questions are provided in a convenient format for producing custom assessments. Test bank questions are based on key learning objectives and content presented in each chapter of the textbook and are pre-formatted so that they can easily be imported into the ExamView Assessment Suite software. For this example, we downloaded and installed the latest trial version of ExamView Assessment Suite from einstruction.com. To begin, insert the ATP test bank disk into the disk drive of your computer. On certain computers, you may see a screen asking you to open the folder to view the files. Simply close this screen to continue. Open the ExamView Import Utility software. You'll be presented with a screen that guides you through the process of converting test bank RTF files into ExamView Bank or BNK files. Click the Next button to continue to Step 1. On the Step 1 screen, click the folder icon located in the center of the screen. Navigate to the folder containing the test bank files located on the test bank disk. Click the Select button to load all test bank files into the import utility. Select an individual test bank file or several files and click the Select button, or click the Select All button to move all test bank files into the lower white box. The lower white box identifies all files that will be converted to ExamView test bank files. Finally, designate where the converted ExamView files will be saved. By default, all ExamView test banks are saved to the C ExamView Banks directory. Click the Next button to continue to Step 2. On the Step 2 screen, set the preferences to be used in the question banks. The default number of multiple choice columns and the default number of matching questions should be 1. Make sure all the boxes on the screen are checked and click the Next button to continue to Step 3. On the Step 3 screen, change the fonts and the styles to be used in the question banks. Click the Set button and change the question bank font to Times New Roman. Change the font size to 11 points, then click the OK button. Click the Next button to continue to Step 4. On the Step 4 screen, change the keywords from true/false to true-false. Click the Next button and then click the Finish button. The conversion process will now begin. After the process is complete, navigate to C ExamView Banks, or if you're using the trial version, to C ExamView Trial Banks to access the BNK files. These files can now be used to create tests using the ExamView Test Generator software. ATP is proud to support your educational needs.